guys, welcome to Michelle's Cozy Kitchen. I am Michelle, and in today's video I am going to make for you a super moist and delicious chocolate cake. So if you love chocolate cake like I do, you would enjoy this recipe. So just follow along. The ingredients would be in the description below. So, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more dishes like this one. Let's get into the recipe right now.
Sugar first? So first, yeah, the sugar. All of it?
Yeah. On top.
I'm seeing ashy hands. Then put the chocolate.
Add some sugar, then chocolate. Then we're going to take a spoon and we're going to mix it together. Now we're going to add 1 cup of boiling water. And we're going to mix that in. I'm going to add some cooking oil. And this is the wet ingredients. These are the wet. I'm just making the wet ingredients. Then to that we're going to add 1 cup of buttermilk. 1 cup of buttermilk. Put that in. Whisk. That is going to be whisked in with the rest of the ingredients. I did not put the egg in as yet because the liquid was too hot from the boiling water. So now that I've added the milk, I'm going to add 2 eggs. I just tasted the cake, guys. It is just delicious. It is moist, fluffy, and just awesome. Delicious. So, yep. You definitely need to try out this chocolate cake recipe, guys. And thanks for viewing. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this. Wow. Guys, this is how much of the cake have been eaten in just a few short minutes. I am telling you, it is awesome, delicious, moist, and fluffy. You gotta try it out. The recipe is in the description. Thanks for viewing.